everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I hope you will hit that subscribe button because you'll find new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration here every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In today's tutorial, I have a few trash to treasure transformations for you. I found some items at the thrift store that I thought had some great bones, so we're gonna update them and make them new again. So let's go ahead and get started. And here is the first thrift store find I'm going to transform and bring it back to life. It's actually pretty cute. I don't think it's bad at all, and that's kind of what caught my eyes. It was in really good condition, and you can see here on the tag it was $5. So it's like a accordion attached cathedral style mirror, but I don't want it to be a mirror, so we're gonna work on this. All right, so the first thing I want to do is actually take the hinges off here so it's just screwed in, and that way I can pull all of these apart individually. And now that the spackle has dried here, I'm going to use my sandpaper to smooth it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this acrylic paint. This is by Americana in the color Traditional Burnt Umber. I love this and I use it a lot because it just seems like a really good wood stain color, and it doesn't have like a lot of red in it, so I don't know, I just always migrate towards this. So it's gonna get a couple coats of that, and then I may come in with my chalk paint, my white chalk paint, to give it some distressing. All right, so it is the next day. I had to sleep on this decision. I really love these the way they are. It sort of looks like a rustic wood finish, and I'm really liking it. However, the space that I want to put these in, it's already got a dark window, and I'll show you that here in a little bit when I put them up. But I just think they will look better in the space if I make them lighter. So I am gonna go ahead and add the white chalk paint to these just here and there to lighten them up a little bit. But let me know down in the description box below, what would you do? Would you leave them this darker wood tone color, or would you paint yours white? And here's the other project I want to work on today. I found this really great basket at the thrift store. It was only $2. It's upside down, but that says $2, and it needs a little bit of work. It's missing one of the rivets here in the front corner, and it's missing one in the back here too. So I'm just gonna take one from the back and put it up here in the front. Hopefully that will work. And then actually I want to take it down into my workshop and stain it and give it more of a dark wood stain. Alright, so I'm in my workshop now. I was able to get that rivet moved from the back into the front. And now I'm going to stain it. I'm going to use this dark walnut color by Minwax. I have my rubber gloves and a rag here. And I'm just going to rub the wood stain into the basket. And it's going to take at least overnight to dry since it's an oil-based stain. And here it is the next day. Our basket is all nice and dried, so we can use it now. And I found that 4 quart-sized mason jars fit in there. So I really liked the look of that, but I want to make sure that when I put something in here, I don't see the stem or anything in the bottom. So I'm going to give these a couple coats of my white chalk paint, and then there'll be a nice contrast between the dark basket and our light mason jars. Thank you all so very much for watching today's tutorial. I hope that it inspired you. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I have more great DIY tutorials in the link next to me. Don't forget to follow me over on Facebook and on Instagram. I will link those down below. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.